Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am up here at our Step 4 Net Zero build in WedgeWoods, beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. Up here for a little bit of an update. As you can see, the boys are in the background working on the siding, and that product is a shingled fiber cement from James Hardy. Let's go on inside and see where they're at today. Something new for us on this project is we have done our own ERV install, energy recovery ventilator. This is our whole home ventilation system. That duct that you can see in this powder room here, that's an exhaust duct for the ERV. This is in part due to the difficulty that we've had in finding some skilled trades. And so this looked like something that was easy for us to take on our own. I think we've actually done a better job doing this ourselves than we've seen on some of our previous installs. Shout out to David Hill from EnerReady for all the help he did on designing it. And we did have him come up and do an air leakage test and a balancing test to make sure that everything was done according to best practices. So something new for us. Down the road, we are also looking to take on our mini split installs when we can't find somebody else to do it. And that, of course, is the mini split head for our Mitsubishi cold climate heat pump. Even on a cloudy day, pretty spectacular view up here in WedgeWoods. One of the cool architecture details that we have on this project are these little brow roofs that are over top of the windows. Compliments of our architect, Stark Architects. So that concludes today's visit. Looking forward to next week when drywall starts. And if you like what you see, subscribe.